Alright guys, this is starting part 3 of the Mustang rebuild. I got a couple things done. I've actually I woke up early and just started kind of getting to work, so I forgot to record or anything, so let me kind of show you what's going on. So as you can see, we started kind of mounting up the pipes. Big blow off valve. Straighten these out a little more. And yeah, so those pipes are hooked up. I'm hooking up these pipes now. I'm gonna go down and then I'm either going to try to re-thread those or just kind of hold up the intercooler with some pieces of wood, and I think we're going to go ahead and start her. I could hook up the radiator too, but there's just no point for it. But yeah, so there she is right now. Boom. Oh, another thing, put my wheels back on it from the blue car. This is a new piece of pipe. Had to wait for this one to come in because it was demolished. I'll show you back here if y'all remember. Boom. Just completely done. So that little tiny pipe alone costed me $96. That little tiny elbow. So we got that going. We're gonna whip it around this side now with those pipes. It's just this one, those two left. This one's gonna come down. That's gonna come down and to the side, and then that one's gonna elbow just like that one. Intercooler, boom, just like that. So let's do it. We're gonna go ahead and start getting this kind of done. Let me I'm gonna show y'all a couple pictures before the next video clip of this in there, because we did mount her up and vice gripped her. But yeah, so let's do it. That's what's left off. I got these pipes in, down and around, the intercooler, other side, boom. So really, I'm just gonna make sure I plug in MAF sensor, not O2. Battery's already hooked up. And keys are inside, but if I had them, I can start it right now. Question is, should I? We'll find out in the next clip.
Got any gas in it?
Yeah, it's got 3/4 of a tank.
Did you unhook? Did you unhook?
It's weird because I don't have. All right, ready? Forgot how loud it was. Wow. Well, there she was. She started, she ran. The problem we found out was the ground to the fuel pump. Right here. So he held those down. Padre held those down, and we got them. We got it started building fuel pressure. We even got some fuel pressure right there. So I'm gonna put all these clips together. It shouldn't be that long, and depending on how long it is, this will either be part 3, and I'll start on part 4 tomorrow. Excuse me. Or this will, I'll keep doing part 3 tomorrow. But there we go. We got her started at least. It's my birthday tomorrow, so that's really why I wanted to get her started for my birthday. So nice. Here she is. Heck yeah. Alright guys, we got the Mustang pushed back. We got the truck and the winch. We're gonna try hooking her up right here and seeing if we can pull her out some. I'm gonna have the remote. I'm gonna start yanking it while I stand here and watch those kinks. So let's do it.
Yeah, don't be near. It's moving the car. It's moving the car.
It bent it out like a little. It's in gear and emergency brake. You can get in and try holding the brakes too. No, it's stuck. Ever since I got it, it's been stuck. Ready? Just keeps moving the car. All right, try to. Got her hooked up to the tree, hooked up to there. Let's try it. All right, now this chain's tight. Yeah, it's bending.
I don't know if it took because there's still an air gap in the middle. Oh yeah. I was trying to close it, you know. Really?
Yeah.
I'm trying to count 5 seconds and then
Well, it looks pretty good to me. All right, guys. Sorry, I have not really been recording. Been trying to get stuff done. So let me flip the camera and kind of show you what's going on. I got a couple videos of us taking our first spot welds. So here we go. So as you see, we got these 2 spot welded in and these 2 spot welded in. And I just, how I said last time, this was bent. I got it kind of straightened out most of the way, and I got those spot welded in right there. Now we just need to grind down this side and the back here, and we'll start spot welding this side in. So let's do it. Well, this is where we're gonna leave off for today. I might go ahead and put this in and post this video tonight, so tomorrow morning we can get this thing going. Let me go ahead and show y'all. I got these spot welded, these spot welded, these spot welded, these spot welded, outer and inner spot welded on both. So now tomorrow is really just taking the actual welder, the tack welder, and tacking in these spots. Might be able to get in here though. And we'll go ahead and weld like around here and weld around here, both sides. And after those two brackets are welded in, these are finished welded in. That's it. Radiator fan, AC condenser, intercooler, all the piping, and we'll get this thing going, started up and driving. So you see here, boom. This side, boom. Radiator is looking pretty good. We ready